Hey, what's up, guys? This is Anara Chaudhary of As Group aka Isolation Media, present here with a dancing line tutorial request by Relic and also Sambo about the CineMachine camera and how to give the cinematic effects in Unity. So here is my uh, dancing line project, and we can see here some wonders I have done. So big level. Now first we must be sure that it go for asset store and install, means import the CineMachine asset, which is free of course. Now go to our main camera, remove any script uh, for following which we have added. I have already removed it, so add a component, name it CineMachine brain, and leave it like that only. Now we will make a empty, name it cine cameras. Well, I'm writing in only one hand, so it's a problem because my microphone is not static. So okay, and reset the transform, and we will add here some virtual cameras which will swap the position with timeline. Okay, first we will add some, create virtual camera, parent it. Now our first virtual camera is the position of our camera. Firstly, means the first transition of our camera will be our CMVCam1, which is our first virtual camera. So I want the camera to follow our player. Also look at our player with our binding mode to world space and X damping and Y damping to somewhat 6. We don't want Y damping because we are not changing any Y axis values. If your camera changes that, you can add that. Okay, 6 will be better. And let's see, our camera looks like this in our game, so I will dock this here so I can keep a track on it. So okay, first we have to just rotate the camera somewhat downward and then upward like this. I have done this in the valley also, and somewhat back. Okay, that's good. I will dock this here again, and let's see what happens if I play start. And yes, it has a damping, but we will just add some values to the damping so that it doesn't move so fast. We have a smooth camera movement, and okay, that will be better. So now we need to swap cameras about some time. So in go to window, add the timeline in your main workshop, I can say, where timeline. So it's open in this tab. Okay, we will now add one empty object, name it our timeline underscore main, and we will add here the director, playable director. Now we will create one timeline. Okay, and we have it now. So go to scene, add one another virtual camera, and this time it will be our, you can say, the second camera movement. So create a virtual camera, parent it to vcam2, same as our object. First cine camera, follow it, world space binding mode, and somewhat 6 to be our damping. Sorry, 6. Okay, we have it. Now we need the position of the camera. So it's like this, the window here, so that I can see that, and let it be this now. So that's it. And if you don't want to look at our player, just hit none and look at, so it will be good. So okay, we have this now, and our second vcam. In our timeline, go and add one CineMachine timeline, and add our CineMachine brain here, I think so. And we have it. So our some first time, okay, sorry, and right click on the timeline and add CineMachine short clip, tag it to 0, and this short clip will contain our first CM vcam. Select the CineMachine shot we have started yet, and drag the CM vcam 1 from here hierarchy to inspector in CineMachine shot. So it's our first clip, and it will work up to somewhat, it is working in frames, we want since second till 5 seconds. Then we will add one CineMachine short clip again, and this will contain our second camera here, and you will see that after 5 seconds our camera been changing. Let me dock it here. um, well, it changed, but it's too fast, so we want some lerping, means some smooth movement to smooth change of camera. First I will make my player follow it. I want that only because it's not looking good yet. So okay, our same vcam 1 will also follow our player. Then go to timeline pane, and just how we can lerp it. If you want to lerp cm vcam 1 with cm vcam 2, from cm vcam 1 we want to just lerp like that. It's that simple. Now in the middle of 4 seconds it will start lerping. So let's start, and it changed the position. Wow, very smooth. But you will notice that after again 10 seconds it will just change the position like that, our first vcam 1. So it's because our priority of cm vcam 1 is 10, and here is also 10, so the CineMachine also only takes the first value. So if we give it 11, now it's our main priority. So at last, when the timeline ends, it will give priority to the cm vcam 2, and it will not change the position. Now the problem comes with any cm vcam virtual cameras, so I will add one again. This will be also our player, as follow, look at, binding mode to wall space, 6 as my damping, and we will just give it the priority 12. as we change our camera, the priority will be live. So first camera will have 10, second will have 11, third will have 12, and the last will be having the highest, so that our camera don't changes to the earlier one. So first I will dock here to see how it looks, like this, like this, and so on, like this, and like this, rather. Look good. Okay, it's our third camera. We have to again go to our timeline, add one CineMachine shot here, and this will be our VCam 3. Here it goes, and again we will lerp it. So now it must work fine. Well, it started. Firstly, we'll hit start first, and then it will change again, and here we go. And it will not change further because it's the third camera has the priority the highest. We can stop the timeline by pausing the screen when we are starting. So that's, you know how to do it by time dot time to be as time scale to be as 0, time dot time scale, when we press before we press start. Means firstly in void start we will have time dot time scale to be as 0, and when we press the button start, time dot time scale will be 1. So our camera will not move at first, like this. Because I have not pressed start, but it will move. So we don't want that. So you know how to do that, and if you don't know, just follow us in Discord. I will tell you the way how to do that. It's a novice thing. So thank you guys, and have a nice day ahead, and please subscribe.